I can say that this is one of the best activities I've done in South Korea. Kaya naman kung pupunta kayo ng Korea, try nyo rin to kasi for sure magugustuhan ninyo. Nabook namin to sa Klook, medyo may kamahalan nga lang to pero sulit na sulit yung magiging experience ninyo. Pero syempre makaka-discount kayo kapag gagamitin ninyo yung promo code ko na Bright Klook. Applicable yan sa lahat ng activities and hotels, etc. Basta kapag sa Klook kayo nag-book, apply nyo lang yung Bright Klook para may discount kayo. For today, pupunta tayo sa Alpaca World, magpapakain tayo ng alpacas. Hindi pa ako nakakita ng alpacas kaya super excited ako dito. Sasakay rin tayo ng rail bike and of course, i-experience natin ang mag-emote-emote sa Nami Island. It's a whole day tour kaya dapat magbaon kayo ng maraming energy and dapat happy-happy lang. Kung pagod ka na sa travel, uminom ka na lang ng malamig tubig para hindi mo na ipapasa sa kasama mo yung init ng ulo mo. First, pumunta kami ng pick-up location. Sundin nyo lang yung instruction na nakalagay sa voucher ticket ninyo. Basta mag-i-on time kayo ha para hindi naman nakakahiya sa magiging kasama ninyo sa tour. First stop namin is Alpaca World. It's 120 kilometers from Seoul or babiyahe kayo ng 2 hours outside Seoul. Dito, you'll get the experience to have fun with 60 alpacas and other various animals. Meron silang show na nag-start ng 10 AM where you can feed alpacas. Sa tour na to, kasama na yung pagkain na ipapakain ninyo sa alpacas kaya naman hindi na kayo bibili. Important reminder lang, do not touch the head and leg ng alpacas kasi baka sipain kayo. Pwede nyo lang silang hawakan sa neck and back. May coffee shop and souvenir shops rin sa labas kapag nagutom kayo. Para lumapit sa inyo yung mga alpacas, you need to say Alpaca Ediwa, which means come here. Marami pang animals sa alpaca ha, and meron silang game dito. Kapag naikot ninyo yung farm and nakolekt ninyo yung mga stamps, may prize kayo. In our case, hindi namin na-complete kaya bumili na lang kami ng souvenir. After namin sa Alpaca World, bumiyahe naman kami ng 1 hour papuntang Gangcheon Rail Park. Habang nasa biyahe, ipapakita nga pala sa inyo ng tour guide ninyo yung menu choices for your lunch. Then pagdating ninyo sa resto, nakaprepare na yung napili ninyong pagkain, kakain na lang kayo. We had our lunch outside the park. Yung napili naming food mukhang maanghang lang yan pero hindi yan maanghang. After namin kumain, dumiretso na kami sa meeting place inside the park. Dito, you will ride a rail bike, may 2-seater and may 4-seater. Sa Gangcheon Rail Park, you will traverse in an abandoned railway approximately 8.5 kilometers long with breathtaking view ng nature and a beautiful view of Bukhan River. Imagine yourself pedaling a bike in the middle of a rice field surrounded by a picturesque view of mountains and rivers. As in sobrang ganda nun. Aside from this, you'll also be going through some tunnels, each with unique themes. Merong bubble tunnel, may rave tunnel, and merong stargazing tunnel, and etc. After riding the first 6 kilometers, you will arrive at a transfer station. Dito, pwede na kayo mag-bathroom break or pick up a snack from the cafeteria. Then you will be transferred to a train ride na may habang 2.5 kilometers until you reach the end of the railway. Ang tip ko, sit beside the window so you can see the beautiful view and last kayong bumaba para you get to have this amazing shot with the train. After that, we traveled going to Nami Island. Ilabas nyo na rito yung pang K-drama moments ninyo kasi super daming beautiful spots where you can take photos and videos. This is free time so allowed kayo to wander around the island but always be mindful sa time na ibibigay sa inyo ng tour guide ninyo para di kayo maiwan ng ferry when you go back to the city. Ito talaga yung mga activities na super nag-enjoy ako and kung pupunta kayo ng Korea, isama nyo to sa itinerary ninyo dahil sure ako magugustuhan ninyo dito. Thank you guys for watching this video and don't forget to follow me for more practical gala tips. Happy travel!